Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 4th, 2025, and we're diving into Fabrinet's first quarter fiscal year 2026 earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Fabrinet has delivered an impressive report this quarter, and I'm excited to break it down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Fabrinet reported a record revenue of $978.1 million for the first quarter of fiscal year 2026, a significant increase from last year's $804.2 million. John, what drove this growth?
Fabrinet's growth was primarily driven by strong performance in the telecom sector and early contributions from their high-performance computing segment. Additionally, they managed to mitigate the expected decline in datacom revenue, which helped maintain their upward trajectory.
And how did this translate to their profitability?
Their GAAP net income rose to $95.9 million, up from $77.4 million last year, with a GAAP EPS of $2.66. On a non-GAAP basis, their EPS was $2.92, which is quite impressive and above the forecasted $2.56 by analysts.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Fabrinet's operational efficiency seems to be a key factor in their success. Can you elaborate on their gross and operating profits?
Absolutely. Fabrinet's gross profit was $160.4 million, and their operating income was $94.2 million. This reflects their ability to manage costs effectively while scaling operations. Their focus on high-complexity products and efficient supply chain management has been pivotal.
Looking ahead, what does Fabrinet's guidance tell us about their future prospects?
Fabrinet is optimistic about the next quarter, projecting revenue between $1.05 billion and $1.10 billion. They expect non-GAAP EPS to range from $3.50 to $3.30, indicating continued growth and strong execution in their strategic initiatives.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. Seamus Grady, Fabrinet's CEO, mentioned several strategic initiatives in the earnings call. What are the key highlights from his statements?
Seamus Grady highlighted the strong telecom performance and the promising early contributions from their high-performance computing segment. He expressed optimism about accelerating growth in the second quarter, driven by multiple tailwinds and continued strong execution.
How do these initiatives position Fabrinet in the market?
These initiatives position Fabrinet well to capitalize on emerging opportunities in high-performance computing and telecom, sectors that are seeing robust demand. Their strategic focus on these areas is likely to sustain their growth momentum.
Key takeaways. In summary, Fabrinet has delivered a strong performance this quarter, with record revenue and earnings per share. Their strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies are driving growth, and their future outlook remains positive. John, any final thoughts?
Fabrinet's ability to exceed expectations and their optimistic guidance for the next quarter make them a compelling investment prospect. Their focus on high-growth sectors and efficient operations are key strengths.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Fabrinet's performance in the comments below.